mean, technically speaking, I mean, is the rain, is rain like purified, dude? I mean, it's cloud pee, right? Is rainwater better for you than tap water? Does it all go down the same way? Yeah. I mean, rain is a form of precipitation, but it once was evaporation from the ocean, right? Or does it form in the sky out of thin air? No, I've not been drinking tonight, thank you. But don't you just love rainy nights? It just puts a calm over you, right? No? I mean, sure, your driveway's gonna be muddy. You're gonna get stuck probably a couple times. You're gonna get your new shoes a little muddy. But your grass is gonna grow, which is not usually, maybe, I mean, if you want it to grow, but it's gonna make weeds come up, and it's been a mild winter, you know. Actually, I think they say next week it's gonna be kind of chilly, so it might just, you know, halt it just for a little bit. Winter just like skipped February, and just it's gonna go to March here for a little bit. But yeah, this is what we're talking about tonight. Yeah, so for lunch I had McDonald's and Pizza Hut. It was like a later lunch. And then for dinner I had chocolate donuts. Yeah. And I don't mean chocolate donuts like, you know, Dunkin' Donut Krispy Kreme. I mean those, you know, them little chocolate minis, the not the powder, but the chocolate ones. But instead of the mini, they was like medium-sized chocolate donuts. You know what I'm saying? The ones that taste the best. I might have a picture of them, but yeah, this is what we're talking about tonight. And it's raining, and yeah, I had what I said, McDonald's and Pizza Hut. So if I was to ever become a stand-up comedian, these are the type of things we're going to be talking about. You know what I'm saying? So I probably need to work on this. Y'all still with me? Yeah. So, Disney movies? Throw that one in there. I think we can catch this light. I know it's red, but watch this. We should get this green. These people come across just right. I mean, oh no, I'm not gonna get it, am I? Damn. Oh, I got it. I got it. I can't believe that. The green light goddess has spoken. Man. Oh, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I haven't drunk no alcohol tonight. You don't believe me? I don't care. I'ma tell it everywhere. The sun is sinking in the west. The cattle go down to the stream. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires can become true. Ariro rarisco ra, arisa rohali high. Isn't she lovely? Truly the angel best. Your boy, she's so pretty. Butterflies in my tummy. Bra ba ba ba. Bra da da da. So is rain really good for you to drink? Is it just cloudy? Or is it better than Fiji water straight from the heart of a volcano?